everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the complete process of setting up a V2Ray server and connecting it using the HTTP Custom Tunnel app. This setup is perfect if you're looking for a secure, reliable, and fast-speed internet connection. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. We'll begin by creating a V2Ray server account. Open your browser and search for the SSHSSL website. Once you're on the official homepage, tap the menu button where you'll see a list of different server types. Select V2Ray and you'll be taken to the account creation page. All you need to do is enter a username and password, complete the CAPTCHA, and then click the Create Now button. After a short countdown, your account will be ready. Simply copy the server details to your clipboard so you can use them in the app. Next, install the HTTP Custom Tunnel app if you haven't already. Go to the Play Store, search for HTTP Tunnel app, and download the latest version. Once installed, open the app. On the home screen, tap the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. Select Import Config from Clipboard. The V2Ray server details you copied earlier will automatically import into the app. After importing, you can customize your configuration. Tap the pencil icon to edit, and in the new page, you'll find options to add your own working SNI if you have one. Once you've made the changes, press the Save button. Finally, tap the Play button to connect. Within seconds, you'll be connected to a fast and secure internet connection. You can scroll to the Logs tab to verify your connection status. And that's it! You now have a working V2Ray server configured with HTTP Custom Tunnel for fast browsing. If you found this tutorial useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who might benefit. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.